All right, guys. So, I want to walk you through how to add a bank account to your PayPal app. Super easy process. Obviously, we need to start by opening up the PayPal app and go into the accounts tab here at the bottom. And here at the very top, you're going to select add banks and cards. And then down at the bottom, you'll see that there is an option to add a bank account. Now on this screen, you are going to add your, whether it's a checking or savings, your routing number and your account number. And down at the bottom, some banks have auto verify, but sometimes they will have to do small deposits to verify the account. So that's just saying that if you do this, they will pull $1 from your account just to verify that it's a good account. So I'm going to put this in. Be right back. All right. So I have just put in my routing and account number, and then I've put in or I've selected link the account, and I have to do the security challenge. And now you can see that my bank account has been successfully linked. I'll hit done. Check your online banking in a few days for two small deposits, and come back and enter the amounts. Oh, that's new. Okay. So let's see. Once I get those two deposits, I guess I'll come back in here. Go. There it is. Scroll down to linked banks and cards. Now it's select it, and then I would select confirm the bank, and then I would put the two deposit amounts here that they pulled just to verify and confirm. And that is how you add your bank account to PayPal. So I hope this helps, guys. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.